Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming hardware and settings so nothing obvious blocks sound. First, wake Apple TV and your TV. Make sure the input matches. Inspect the HDMI cable at both ends, reseat it firmly, and try another HDMI port if available. Once done, lower TV volume, then raise it slowly to verify signal. These steps eliminate cable or input mismatches, which are the most common causes, and let you move on to audio routing if the problem persists. Now you control how audio is routed. On Apple TV, go to Settings, Video and Audio, and check the audio output field. Make sure it targets TV speakers or the exact receiver name. If you use a receiver or soundbar, confirm it shows as active. Then inspect audio format, disable auto if it's enabled, and test a stable format like 16-bit, 44. 1 kHz. This resolves codec or pass-through mismatches that can silence audio when devices disagree on formats. Finish with restarts, updates, and isolation tests. Restart Apple TV from Settings, System Restart, then check for TV OS updates and install them. Update your receiver or soundbar firmware and swap HDMI cables to exclude a faulty lead. If sound still fails, test using headphones or another TV to determine whether Apple TV output or the display/receiver is at fault. If that isolates the device, you'll know whether to contact Apple support or repair the external hardware.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.